Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to add tasks in Thunderbird. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open Thunderbird in your desktop and locate the tasks folder here on the left panel. This is the task folder. Under calendar, click on that, and here you will find all the tasks for today or your current tasks. You can select the date for your tasks. To create new tasks, simply type in your right mouse click, and choose the calendar. For example, I name the calendar. Then I choose my first task. Location, for example, Tunisia. And you can add a category, business or birthday, or any type of tasks that you want to create. Choose the start and end date, the status of your task as you can see in process or in section. You can also choose to repeat the task or not. You can repeat it daily, weekly, or monthly, or yearly, or every weekday. So, say it or not repeat. And if you want a reminder for your tasks, for example, 5 nights before, you can add a description to your task. That's it guys, hit create your task here. This is how to add tasks in Thunderbird. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,